How to make art gallery website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about, choose the site topic right here. So we need the art gallery, so just type art gallery. I can already see it, art gallery. Choose it and click next. Here you need to answer what do you want to do with your website, so the main purpose of your website. You can promote an event or project, you can sell memberships, you can sell products, build community, promote a physical business, showcase work, publish a blog or other media, collect donations. So here guys, choose whatever you want, whatever you really need to do with your website. And now you need to answer how would you like to start building your website. You can build your website by browse templates, or you can build it with AI. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI right here, so I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed templates. And in this page you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Also here you can change the topic of your website or the type of your website. For example, we can unselect the nations and we will get another templates. So if you don't want to get donations, or if you want to sell services, select this one. Just for an example, for this video, I'm gonna choose this template right here, and to be honest, I think this template is really nice. But I think this color is kind of weird, and that's why I'm gonna change it. Here you can change sample color presets very easily. For example, red one or blue one, pink, whatever you want, yellow. This one is nice. I'm gonna start with this design. And while we are waiting until everything loads, Squarespace.com is the best option to create your own website because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create your own website. And this is why I highly recommend you Squarespace.com. So here you need to create site name, the name of your art gallery. So for example, my art gallery is I don't know, just let's gallery of art. And just for an example, my name is Flat, by the way. So continue. Here you can see some tips how to use this website, how to edit your template. And now we are ready to edit this template, but firstly we need to check this one, pages right here. We can add new pages, we can delete some of these pages, for example blog page. If you don't need to have a blog page, if you don't have a blog, you can easily delete it. And also here you can see we have about, contact pages, and not linked home page. But I think we need to link this page in the main navigation, so just drag it here and now we have home page here. Next, you can change the site styles, you can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever you want. I really like this font, so maybe I will change some colors. For example, this one. Okay. Save. Close. And also, guys, here you can manage some stuff about your website. For example, products and services, invoicing, content and membership, donations, scheduling. Here you can see some analytics about your website. For example, check the traffic, visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, page views, and also geography of your visitors. This one, analytics, is really nice. I really like this about squarespace.com. I think this is essential about your website. Every site owner should use this one. And let's go edit our template. Click this button and you can edit almost everything here. Here you can see the name of my website here, site logo. You can change the size of the text. You can change this text. You can double click on this text, or for example, edit section, add the background, colors, design, size of section. You can delete this and, for example, write whatever you want. For example, welcome to the site of our beautiful gallery. Easily can do it bigger. You can add something right here because you can see it's kind of empty, but first of all we need to change the size of section, and now we can add, for example, image. Click this button and you can upload a file from your computer, or you can upload it from your mobile, or you can use free Squarespace's images. For example, let's type art. No, let's type art gallery. Yeah. Let's choose this one, add image. Now it's loading. And here it is. I think this looks really nice. I really like this section, how I did it. Also, you can add new section. Here you can add blank section. You can add another section, for example, intro, contact, about, people, products, services, portfolios, testimonials, for example, portfolios. And obviously you can edit this section, you can delete this text, you can change this image, replace it like this, click this button. You can do whatever you want. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this by your own. And the entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. You need to click this button save to save your changes. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching, and don't don't forget to click a like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.